Okay, we have some graham cracker today. The high sugar content. In this MA day, we have a 0.039 screen. I have the VF drive set for 1750 RPM, and I'm going to dump this pretty quick. We're going to monitor load to get a good rate. This is 3 pounds of product. Here we go. Just gonna let that get up to speed. And we're there.
Nice. That is a good thin product. Smells delicious. And we'll throw this through a sieve and give you some still pictures as well.
Awesome.